Connect your HP LaserJet Enterprise printer to a wireless network. From the printer control panel, open Settings. Open the networking menu. Using the control panel keypad arrows, navigate down to Wireless Setup Wizard. Select your wireless network from the list and then select OK. Enter the wireless passphrase or password. Select Done or press the appropriate key when finished. Important: it may take up to a minute to establish a connection. The printer will display a 0.0.0.0 IP address while connecting. To verify the IP address, press the I or Info key on the keypad and then select Wireless option. Look for an assigned IP address. Your printer is now connected. Optional: turn off Ethernet. If an Ethernet cable is connected, the printer may prioritize it over Wi-Fi. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the printer. Restart the printer if needed.